Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How American trucks drive the construction industry forward. The construction industry is all about moving large amounts of materials, quickly and efficiently. Before trucks entered the picture, projects were slowed by logistical challenges and backbreaking labor. Over time, trucks became the backbone of construction, evolving alongside the industry and shaping how we build today. The origin of construction trucks in the U.S. Trucks first rolled into the construction world during the early 20th century. As cities grew and industrialization picked up, horse-drawn wagons couldn't keep up with the demand for transporting heavy equipment and materials. Early gasoline-powered trucks, introduced in the 1910s, offered a faster, stronger alternative. Though rudimentary by modern standards, these vehicles were quickly adapted for hauling bricks, concrete, and other construction materials. World War I accelerated truck production in the U.S., as military needs prompted manufacturers to improve designs, durability, and payload capacity. After the war, surplus military trucks flooded the market, and many found new life on construction sites. By the 1920s and 1930s, trucks became indispensable. Industry pioneers like Mack and International Harvester began producing purpose-built trucks for construction, featuring stronger frames and more powerful engines. These machines ushered in a new era for the construction industry, enabling projects to scale like never before. From manual labor to mechanized transport. Before trucks, material transportation relied heavily on manual labor, horse-drawn carts, and rail systems. Imagine workers lifting entire loads of bricks onto wagons or waiting hours for trains to deliver supplies. They were slow, grueling processes that limited how fast a project could move. Trucks changed everything, acting like workhorses without the inefficiencies. Instead of relying on hundreds of laborers, a single truck could move tons of material in one trip. Dump trucks, one of the first specialized types, allowed for quick unloading of sand, gravel, and dirt, speeding up excavation and site preparation. Flatbed trucks made it easy to carry oversized loads like steel beams or prefabricated wall panels directly to job sites, cutting down on delays. This shift wasn't just about saving time, it fundamentally changed the workforce. While fewer hands were needed for transportation, more skilled drivers and mechanics became essential, paving the way for construction jobs that required expertise with machines. Trucks didn't just move materials, they moved the industry into a new, more efficient era. Role during economic booms and industrialization. Throughout America's economic booms, trucks became a driving force behind rapid construction development. For example, the post-World War II housing boom saw an increased demand for residential and commercial buildings. Trucks became essential for delivering materials to expanding suburbs, helping to quickly build roads, homes, and schools for returning veterans and their families. The 1950s Interstate Highway System project is another striking example of how trucks shaped progress. Massive amounts of concrete, asphalt, and steel had to be transported across the country. Trucks were the only practical option for such large-scale logistics, ensuring materials reached even the most remote locations. Even during industrialization in the early and mid-20th century, trucks allowed factories to receive raw materials and ship finished products to building sites. Think of iconic structures like skyscrapers or bridges. These ambitious projects wouldn't have been possible without heavy-duty trucks bringing in steel girders, cement, and other critical supplies. American-made trucks weren't just tools, they were symbols of progress. Their rugged construction and reliability allowed them to power through periods of great change, supporting the growth of towns, cities, and an entire nation. Modern-day applications of American trucks in construction. American trucks are at the core of how today's construction sites operate. With their unmatched toughness and adaptability, they handle countless tasks that keep projects on schedule and on budget. Whether moving materials, transporting equipment, or assisting with on-site work, these trucks are indispensable in the modern construction world. Hauling heavy materials. Construction sites need an uninterrupted flow of materials like concrete, steel, and lumber. Without trucks, that flow would come to a screeching halt. Heavy-duty trucks excel at moving massive quantities of these materials where they're needed most. When a job calls for hundreds of steel beams or pallets of bricks, trucks make it happen efficiently. Flatbed trucks are a preferred choice for oversized or irregularly shaped materials, such as steel girders or timber logs. Their open design simplifies stacking and unloading, which means less downtime during deliveries. Meanwhile, enclosed box trucks protect fragile items like drywall or glass from weather damage, ensuring everything arrives in perfect condition. Imagine trying to build a multi-story office building. Without trucks, even fetching the raw materials would be a logistical nightmare. By tackling these heavy loads head-on, trucks take the strain off workers and speed up timelines significantly. Mobile equipment transport. Getting heavy machinery to a construction site is no small feat. Excavators, bulldozers, cranes, and other massive equipment pieces can't just roll down the highway on their own. Specialized trucks solve this problem by acting as mobile platforms, safely transporting equipment to and from the site. Lowboy trailers, for instance, are specifically designed to carry oversized machinery. Their low deck height ensures stability, even when hauling towering cranes or dense road rollers. Heavy-haul trucks equipped with reinforced frames and powerful engines can manage even the heaviest loads with ease, navigating steep inclines and uneven terrain. Think about it. How else would an excavator get to a job site located miles off the main road? Without these trucks, getting construction equipment where it's needed would be costly, time-consuming, and impractical. On-site utility and versatility. Construction trucks do more than transport materials and equipment. Many are built to perform specific tasks on site, adding incredible value to daily operations. Look at dump trucks, for example. They don't just haul dirt and gravel, they streamline excavation and grading by quickly dropping loads exactly where they're needed. Then there are cement mixers, rolling factories on wheels. These trucks blend, mix, and deliver concrete directly to the pour site, eliminating the need for additional equipment and saving time. Similarly, water trucks are essential for suppressing dust on dry worksites or providing water for compaction. Each of these specialized trucks is like a key player on a team, handling tasks that would otherwise require separate tools or machinery. Their versatility ensures that job sites stay organized and productive. Emergency and repair services. Even the best equipment can break down, and when it does, downtime costs money. That's where trucks built for emergency and repair services step in. Service trucks are essentially mobile workshops, equipped with tools, spare parts, and even welding equipment to handle repairs on the spot. Construction sites can't afford delays, and having service trucks on hand minimizes interruptions. If a dozer hydraulic line bursts in the middle of grading, a repair truck can arrive quickly to fix it. These trucks often include compressors, generators, and cranes, allowing mechanics to tackle even complex fixes without needing to tow equipment off-site. Without service trucks, simple repairs could spiral into lengthy delays. They're the unsung heroes of the construction world, quietly keeping the job moving forward. Stay tuned for part 2, you won't want to miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.